Okay, so in number 37, we're just supposed to write an equivalent expression so that we don't have a trig function that has a power greater than 1. So right now we have sine that's squared and cosine that's squared. And so I'm going to use the power reducing formulas to get started. So for sine squared, that's the same as 1 minus the cosine of 2 times an angle. And the angle is x. So that's what the original angle is, x. Divided by 2. And then for the cosine squared, it's 1 plus the cosine of 2x all over 2. Well, then I could FOIL that numerator, and that would give me 1 minus the cosine squared of 2x all over 4. Well, that's where probably the hard part comes in, is that now you're dealing with your angle here. Something to keep in mind is 2x. And so we're going to use the power reducing formula of cosine squared, but we just have to remember that 2x is the actual angle. So I'm going to plug this in. So I have 1 minus, and then I'm going to plug in 1 plus the cosine of 2 times the angle. Remember, the angle is 2x all over 2, and I can't forget that this is all over 4. So then I'm just going to simplify. I've got 1 minus, and it looks like I've got 1 plus the cosine of 4x all over 2, and then all of that is divided by 4. And so now I'll just keep simplifying. You know, I might do this where this 1 is. I'm going to just write it as 2 over 2. So you can see that I'm going to have 2 over 2 minus 1/2 minus the cosine of 4x over 2. Well, that's going to give me 1/2 minus the cosine of 4x over 2, all divided by 4. Now, if you wanted to write it as one piece, you've got 1 minus the cosine of 4x all over 2 divided by 4. Well, that's really going to be times, oops, go back a little bit, times 1/4. So that's going to give me 1 minus the cosine of 4x all over 8, which is fine. Or you might have an answer that looks like this: 1/8 minus 1/8 times the cosine of 4x. And there you go.